Hola, so now we will go through revision little bit fast. Agosma. So till now we know three root sound. Ruwa? Three root sound karere. Ah, ah, Ruwa? Three root sound. We have for Tibetan we have 108 sound. All 108 sound comes under these three group. Agosma. Okay? So out of these three groups, ah and ha category doesn't change the sound when there is a prefix or superscript. Agosunga, okay? Doesn't change the sound. Only category change the sound. Rawa? When there is a prefix or superscript. Okay? And we know that in the category, the sound changes to either bolder or higher. Bolder, I mean pa to ba, ka to ga, more bold, more bass, right? So higher, I mean ma to ma, na to na, like this. Ya to ya, like this. Okay? That's it. So from here, we have noticed that this category doesn't change sound. Ha category doesn't change sound. But out of category, till now, we notice ma, na, and nga. These three goes higher when there is a prefix or superscript, right? Also, we have here ya, including ya, till now. Ma, na, nga, ya, here. Ma becomes ma, na becomes na, nga becomes nga, right? Ya becomes ya, like this. Then we notice tha becomes da when there is a prefix or superscript, right? We notice ka becomes ga. We notice pa becomes ba. Okay? That's it. That's what we notice. Overall, we know that there are only two types of sound changes. One is bolder, one is higher. Until now, we notice some of them. Okay? That's it. Let's practice a little bit. Keeping the sound changes in the mind. Let's practice a little bit. I have here written down different words with the prefix, suffix, and postfix, with the main sound and suffix only, with the prefix, main sound, and suffix, like different words. Let's try this. Okay? Yeah, Susi Lunala in that. Tashi Dalek. Susi
Tashidele,
Lunala.
Tang,
Mari Rere in that. Dikarire. One by one, spell it out.
okay. Ta, nga, tang.
Ta re. Ta marua. Soft.
Now,
Ta.
ta, ta, nga, tang.
Di.
Kao, ta, nga, Sa. Tang.
That went higher, but we know tha becomes bolder, not higher.
Oh, sa.
Hmm.
Kao. Ta. Nga. Sa. Dang.
That's it. I think you are saying tha very harsh. Make it soft. Tha.
Okay.
Ah.
Ta.
Dharma. We don't say dharma. We say dharma
Ah.
like this.
Oh.
Tha. Soft. How goes nga?
Soft. Mhm.
So if I spell it out, tha nga thang. Soft. Thang. Now here,
Dang.
khao tha nga sa dang. Thang.
Dang.
Dang. Thang. Dang. Right?
Mhm.
You can hear and see the sound changes here. Now we learned one question in the previous. Dadang chikpa repe. Dadang
Mhm.
pronunciation.
Mhm.
Dadang chikpa repe. Now I'm gonna ask
Mhm.
you, Susi Runala, di
Yeah.
thang di dadang chikpa repe.
Di. Tang. Di. Dradang. Chikpare.
Ah, chikpa repe. You think they are same sound?
Oh, no.
Ah,
No, sorry. Again.
ah,
Di tan di dradang chikpa mare.
that's it. 빼하고 송송. Di thang di dadang chikpa mare. 하고 송아. Okay? That's it. 빼하고
Makasong.
송송. 도대체. Keeping in mind that tha is a ha category and it changes to bolder, we notice here. 하고 송아. That's it. 도대체 수시라. 알았어. 되네 애덤 라인다. 다시 델렉.
Toshidelic.
애덤 라 다시 델렉. 딜로로 낭.
Uh, Pao Ta Na Tang.
Mhm.
No, Pao Ta Na Tang. Sa Ta Tak. Sa Ta Tak Ta Na Tang. Tang Tang. Di
Oh,
Tang Di. Tratang. Jikpare.
that's it. Di thang di dadang chikpare. Peakulosum. Pauta nga tang. Sa tatakta nga tang. Tang 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 tang. Dadang chikpare. Hagosunga. That's it. Why? Because ta is a category. Sound doesn't change. That's why. Whether there is a prefix or superscript doesn't matter. Ruba, how goes it? Okay?
Okay.
That's it. Adam lagi pe apollo son tujiche. Rasutine dawala inda dawala. Dawala tilorona.
Talatel. Gaotalatel.
Pe apollo.
Tel.
Hmm.
Del.
Pe del.
Di dan di. Tradang chikpamare.
Pe pe apollo. Tujiche. As we notice here, Ruba. Tha la tel. Ko tha la del. Don't worry about meaning or anything. Focus on sound change here. These words are not important. Okay?
Tel.
Kaya That's it. Very good. Tuji che dawala. Tine ya yung la yin, yung la. Tiloro na.
Tashi Delek
Kasi deleg yung la.
Á Nã Thên
Hmm.
Hảo Á Nã Tên
빼하고 쓴. 이용라 디탕 디 드라당 직발에 빼.
Đi thẳng đi, ra tăng, chiếc ba, mà rê.
빼하고 숭숭. That's it. 빼하고 숭숭. 하고 숭아. As we notice, 다, 나, 된. 가오, 다, 나, 된. That's it. 된, then. 좋아?
Tức
굳이 제 영어를 빼하고 숭숭. Now we notice 다 here becoming bolder, whether there is a prefix or superscript. 좋아? Now let's try 마 here. Okay? 이모겐라인. 다시 델렉 이모겐라.
다시 들래?
올라서. 딜로로나.
마나, 만,
N, man.
매.
That's good. But in Kham dialect, they say man. But let's learn this first. Then we can differentiate other dialects. Okay? Man, man. That's it.
Mana, men, man, men, sama, samatamana, men.
Is there sound changes? What do you think?
Men, sama, na, men.
That's it. That's it. So we notice here, ma becomes higher. Ma becomes ma here, right? As we notice, ma na men. Sa mata ma na men. That's it. Any imogen la di thang di badang chikparepe.
Ditang, men, chipa,
Di
ditang,
di
di,
badang chikparepe.
sorry.
No problem. No problem. Di means you already know. Di, this, right? Di thang di, this and this.
Ditang, di, men,
Hakosong. Now my question is, pronunciation chikparepe, are they same? Pronunciation chikparepe.
ditang, di, chipa, mare.
That's it, chikpa mare. Very good. Here, chikpa re or chikpa mare. And you can add more specific, dradang chikpa mare. Right now, you can just say how to say it, dradang as a pronunciation. Akosunga, dradang chikpa mare. That's it.
Thank you. 2GT.
That's it. Let's try again. Yeah. Di thang, di dradang chikpa repe.
Ditang, di, chima, da,
Di thang, di.
ditang, di, chipa, mare.
That's it. Dadang chikpa mare. That's it. Agosunga. Okay. You missed dadang. Dadang means pronunciation. Chikpa mare means not same. Right? Dadang chikpa mare means pronunciation chikpa mare. That's it. Agosunga. That's it. That's it. Tigidu. We will learn this question again. So, if you notice here, sound changes. That's good enough, right, for me.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Teneya pema jimbalayin tashi delek.
다시 잘라주세요.
라소. 아니, 딜로로나. 뱀라. 응?
nga 나로 나는
어?
사 ngatak nga 나로 나는
That's it.
ngun
빼야굴로서. 응? 빼야굴로서. Here. Nga, narungo, na, ngun. Sa,
ngun
atak nga, narungo, na, ngun. 빼야굴로. 그러봐? 빼마지발라. 디탕, 디, 드라당, 찍바를 빼.
mare di tandi dradang chikpa mare
That's it. 그러봐? 빼야굴송송, 두지치에 빼마지발라.
그치.
Now we notice here, nga also becomes higher when there is a prefix or superscript. How goes nga? 야굴러서 빼요. 되네야 루윤라인데 루윤라 딜로로나.
야, 가, 약,
Mhm.
가오, 야, 가, 약,
That's it. 야, 가, 약, 가오, 야, 가, 약. That's it. 빼야굴러서. 루윤라 디탕 디 드라당 찍바를 빼.
디탕, 디, 드락당, 직바, 마레,
빼야고. That's it. 찍바 말해. 두지치에 루윤라.
두지치.
As we see here, ya also becomes higher when there is a prefix. 그러봐? Okay? Very good. 빼야골라서 되네야. 미끼라인다. 미끼라. Try checking.
Ça l'appelle
Mhm.
Sao l'appelle
빼야고. 빼야고. 디당 디 드라당 찍바를 빼.
Ditang dradang shikpare
That's it. 빼야고 숭숭. 디당 디 드라당 찍바레. 빼야고 숭숭. 두지체 미끼라. 올라서. As we can see here, pa is a category. That's why it didn't change sound. Pa, la, pel, thao, pa, la, pel, pel. Radang chikpari. Agosuma, pe agosungsong. Tujichi. Teneya, sonam regala in. Sonam regala dilorona.
다시 delek.
Tashi delek.
마, 나로, 모, 나, 몬. 사우, 마, 딱, 마, 나로, 모, 나, 몬.
Peago. Very good. Peago losum. Tujichi.
이, 단, 디, 라닥, 칙, 파레.
That's it. Di thang di. Radang chikpa mare.
라닥, 칙마 마레.
Peago. Di thang di. Radang chikpa mare. You read it right. Peago losum. Riba? Ma naru mo na mon. Sa mata ma naru mo na mun. Mun. Riba? Di thang di radang chikpa mare. As we know.
Excuse me, I have a question.
Yes, please.
Can after class possibly give us a list of all 108 sounds we can, is there any chart or something we can learn?
Yes. One of my students has made a chart, but it's not time right now. Once
Okay.
we covered all the sound, then I will introduce here.
Thank you so much.
That's it. Tujichi.
그치.
Because we have yatak, ratak, latak, we didn't introduce it.
Okay.
Hakozunga. We will go slowly, but we are also learning quick. Hakozunga. Yagutu, tujiche.
그치.
Dene ya Pedro lain, tilorona.
다시 들을래?
Tashi delek Pedro la.
오케이, 다시. 나, 낸, tak, 나, 낸.
Peyaku. Peyaku loso. Dadang yakpoduk. Right? Na, nen. Sa, tak, na, nen. Peyaku. Ditang di dadang chikparebe.
dratang, chikpamare.
Peyaku. Chikpamare. That's it. Tujiche Pedro la yakuloso. Ne ya Candice la inda. Candice la dilorona.
Just delay.
Tashi delek.
Sa jambuse raser. Kao sa jambuse raser.
Peyaku.
So di thandi jadang jibare.
Peyaku. Tujiche. Ditang di dadang chikpare. Sa dengbo se ra ser. Kao sa dengbo se ra ser. Peyaku. As we know, sa is a category. Right? That's it. Peyaku. Tujiche. Tene ya fang la inda.
La, sin.
Lasso.
자 기쿠지 가직 가오 자 기쿠지 가직 라당 식바레.
Peyaku. Re dadang chikpare. Cha kikuchi ka chik. Kao cha kikuchi ka chik. Dadang chikpare. Peyaku. Tujiche fang la. Tene Mariana la inda. Rest of us can also practice in the mute. Practice it. Right?
Lasso, ta, mao, ta, a, da.
Peyaku loso. Peyaku Mariana la. Ditang di dadang chikpare pe.
Ditang di chikpamare.
Dadang chikpamare.
Dradang chikpamare.
Peyaku. Tujiche Mariana la.
Lasso.
Tene ya chimila inda. Chimila. Tashi delek.
Tashi delela.
Lasso. Dilorona.
Nasani. Oh, nasani. Didang di dadang chikpamare.
Peyaku loso. Tujiche. Holas. As we see here. Na sa ne. Kao na sa ne. Right? Ne. Dadang chikpamare. Right? Peyaku. Tene Francois la inda. Francois la dilorona.
Okay. 파나로 포, 타, 포?
Peu, sound. Peu.
peu. Sorry. Peu. Ao, 파나로 포, 타, 부.
Peyaku. That's it. Peyaku.
드라당, 디당 디 드라당 식파마레.
That's it. Peyaku loso. Tujiche. Pa naru po ta peu. Ao pa naru bo ta bu. Dadang chikpamare. Hakosuma. Peyaku loso. Tene dang noila diloronan.
Excuse me, in the previous one, the naro o changes to u sound.
That I will show it. We will learn this, how this become in a little bit.
Okay.
Okay?
Thanks.
So, very good question. So, teneya dang noila inda. Dang noila dilorona.
La pelle.
Sa patak ba la bel.
빼하고. 당나라 자당 야고둑 두지치.
Di tang di tradang sikpa mare.
빼하고. 디탕디 자당 직바 마리. 파라 펠 사파타 바라 벨. 빼하고. 두지치 당나라. All left. Now one left. I will try myself. Right? 파오따 샵규뚜 나뚱 파오사 따따따 샵규뚜 나사뚱 뚱뚱 뚱뚱뚱뚱뚱뚱뚱뚱 디당디 다당 직바리 하고스마 라소 as we know 따 is a category. 빼고. Now we will come here. Why this becomes okay? So without naro, pa, tha, pe, it's a sound. We know this. Whenever there is a tha or a sa suffix, it's a sound. Pa, sa, pe, pa, tha, pe, like this, right? Now if I add naro, A and O and E mixed together, that's how it becomes How goes now? Without naro is A, with naro, O and A mix That's why it became How goes now? Okay, is that clear? Lasso. Okay, hola, that's it. Then here, ma na men, right? We have N. Then A and O mix men, ma na romo na men. Like this. Sa mata ma na romo na men. Menlam. We have this word. You heard this word. Menlam. It's not menlam. Menlam. Goes one higher one. Ma. Menlam. That's now you see it is important to know the sound changes. Goes one. Better the pronunciation, better the spelling, better the conversation with the others. Goes one. Dradang. Dradang. Hola. That's it. Okay. Now we have seen here little bit example of sound changes with the prefix and superscript. Okay. Now in the previous class, if you remember, we learned a sound group, a group of sound called ratak. Okay, hola. Then here, pa, ratak, tra. First I will read it, just absorb the sound. Ta, ratak, tra. Ka, ratak, tra. Tha, ratak, tra. Just few examples. So normally when I read it, tra, tra, ta, ta, like this. That's how we read it. But if we break down the sound, how to read it, then we have to read like this here. Pa here, right? And this is called ratak. Then we read like this. Pa ratak tra. Like this. Okay. Then we have here ta ratak tra. You can mimicry me. Repeat after me. From the sound, we notice that these two are same sound. Radang chikpare. Dithang di. Radang chikpare. Pa ratak tra. Ta ratak tra. Then this how we read it. Ka ratak tra. Right? Ka ratak tra. Then we have here tha ratak tra. Then we have here pa ratak tra. From the sound we notice ka ratak tra, tha ratak tra, pa ratak tra. Radang chikpare. Okay? Do we have idea little bit how to read it? Very important. Okay? All right. Then I will put here in the category. Okay? All right. We learned from category, we learned pa ratak tra. Also, we learned ta ratak tra here. Right? From ha category, we only learned ka here. Okay? Not more here. But from we have new ka ratak tra, tha ratak tra, pa ratak tra. Okay? Hola. Ya, susi luna la inda. Tilotang, di karere.
Pa ratak dra.
Mare man. Di karere.
Mare.
Di karere.
Pa.
No. Pa.
Pa ratak. Pra.
Tra. Tra.
Dra.
No.
Tra.
Tra.
Tra. Tra.
That's like when you say ta, like this. That.
Tra. Okay. So it changes from pa to ta sound, something like that.
Tra. Tra.
Tra.
Tra. Ta. It's tra.
Tra.
Okay. Ra is very subtle here. It's like this.
Tra.
Okay. Tra.
Tra. Tra.
So when I say it quick, it sounds like tra, tra, like this. But there is subtle ra there. Very subtle.
Tra.
Like this. Okay? 빼고 양결로탕 디 카레레 투시 루나라
Pa ratak tra.
That's it.
Mhm.
그렇지. 근데 야 이모겐 라인다. 이모겐 라 딜로탕.
Ta, rata, tra.
빼고 same sound. 따 라딱 트라. That's it. 빼고 로탕. 라소. 하고서나 as we can see 빠 라딱 트라. 따 라딱 트라. 라당 찍바레. 하고서나 Then we have here, yeah. Dinda. Pema jimbala di lorona.
Ka ratak tra.
Yeah. Ha. Ratak tra. Like this. Soft. Tra. Tra. Like this. What? Very soft like this. Okay? Not tra. Tra. Ta ha ra a. Tra. Like this. Okay? Don't pronounce this D as a D. Make it softer. Tra. Like this. Tra. Like this. Okay? That's it. Ka. Ratak. Tra. Fair. Then ya Adam la dilorona. Mute redu Adam la.
Tra, ta, ratak, tra.
Fair. Ta ratak tra. Fair. Tujiche Adam la. As we can see, ka ratak tra. Ta ratak tra. Radang chikpare. 하고서나 드네야 다왈라 딜로로나
그래.
디디
파라탁타.
파라탁tra 하고서나
파라탁타.
That's it. Now we notice here 카라탁tra 타라탁tra 파라탁tra same sound 라당 직발에 하고서나 That's it.
그것은
야 울어서 도대체 Okay. Now we know that in the R category, okay, whenever there is a prefix or superscript, the sound changes. Right? The sound changes. So in case of ka ratak tra, tha ratak tra, pa ratak tra, when there is a prefix or superscript, the sound changes to bolder, dra, like this. Now, dra, when there is a prefix or superscript. Otherwise, soft, tra, like this. How goes now? Let me show you. Ka, ratak, tra. Tau, ka, ratak, dra. Tra, dra, tra, dra. Like this. You might have heard this dra in a pecha. Dra chompa, dra chompa. Dra chompa, yanda bo zubi, sanji ripaton. Same. Dra. How goes, So here, if you notice this sound changes, it's very good. How goes, How goes, Tra to draw, like this. Now, when there is a prefix, it's easy to read. Thao, ka, ratak, dra, like this. Now, when there is a superscript, then how would you read it? Then you read from sa. You start from sa. Sa, katak, ga, ratak, dra. Like this. How goes, You read like from sa. Then you read this. Sa, katak, ga. Then add ratak, dra. Like this. How goes, Let me break it down here. Sa, katak, ga, ratak, dra. That's how you read it. Okay? When the letter is like this, how do you read it? You read like this. Sa, katak, ga, ratak, dra. That's it. With the prefix, it's easy to read, right? It will come again and again. Eventually, will become clearer and clearer. Let's take tra here. Tra, parata tra. Sa, patak ba, ratak dra. That's it. Okay? Now if I read here, ka, ratak, tra, thau, ka, ratak, dra, sa, katak, ga, ratak, dra, dra, dithang, di, dradang, chikpare. Thau, ka, ratak, dra, sa, katak, ga, ratak, dra, dradang, chikpare. Di, ka, ratak, tra. Di thang, di, tradang, chikpa mare. Okay? You see the difference. Di thang, di, tradang, chikpa re. Di thang, di, tradang, chikpa mare. Also, di thang, di, tradang, chikpa mare.
Can you say it again, the example, please?
Which one?
The last one. The last one.
Okay.
Thank you.
So we know from our category, we know ka, ratak, tra, new sound, tra. And when there is a R category, in our category, when there is a prefix or superscript, sound changes, right? So let's see. Tra, da, tra, dra. You see the difference? If I break down ka, ratak, tra, thao, ka, ratak, dra, tra, dra. How goes now? Now here, ka, ratak, tra. Sa, katak, ga, ratak, dra. Like this.
Can I ask, does the vowel also change?
Yes? What was the question? Yang kya sun raha ho?
Does the vowel also change? It sounds like it changed from A to E. Is that right?
No, vowel doesn't change. Sorry. Sorry. It may sound a little bit but I'm exaggerating to show the bolder sound. To know the difference. Okay? It's like pa, ba, ka, ga, tra, da. Like this. But to show it more, I exaggerate a little bit. That's it. Then we can add vowel sa, katak ga, ratak dra, naro dro. Sa, katak ga, ratak dra, dengbo dre. Like this. Anything. Just like that, you can practice. Lasso. Teneya sonam durgarla inda. Sonam durgalra dithang di logronam. Try reading.
Ka, ratak, tra. Sa, ka, sa, tak, ka, ratak, tra.
No, yang keplo. Sa, kata, ga. How goes na? You read from sa, and then you have to read ka. Sa, kata, ga. Ratak, dra. Like this.
Sa, ratak, ka, ratak, ra, tra. So complicated.
No problem. Just read this one. Do you know read this? You already know. This one. Tikhandire.
Sa, ka, tak, ka.
That's it. That's it. So this, how to, you know how to read it. But that's what it is. Still here, it is. Sa kata ga. That's it.
Sa, kata, ka.
And
Ratak, ra.
ratak dra.
Satak, ra, dra.
Okay? Why it is dra? Because this is tra. And tra, when there is a prefix or superscript, becomes dra. That's why it is dra. Just like here, this tha become the here. How goes nga? Because of the prefix, this tha becomes the. Same as here. Because of the superscript, this tha became dra here. Bolder. Now you see why it is dra.
So one is tra, and with the superscript is dra.
That's it.
Okay. Dr. Teacher.
Because if you notice, di kharire,
Ba.
when there is a prefix or superscript, what does it become?
Ba.
That's it. Di kharire.
Ka, ratak, tra.
Tra, soft, tra.
Tra.
When there is a superscript or prefix, what does it become?
Dra.
That's it. Same logic here. Okay? That's it. So here, tha, rata, tra. When there is a prefix or superscript, dra. Same. D, pa, rata, tra. When there is a prefix or superscript, dra. Same. Now, how to read is you have to read like this. If there is a letter like this, you already know how to read this. Sa khata ga. Then add ratak. Sa khata ga. Ratak. Dra. Like this. Agosunge. Payaguduk. Pujiche. Teneya. Kendisla inda. Kendisla. Kendisla. Di karire loktan.
Za bada ba rada ja.
That's it. Tujiche Kendisla. Now, is there any doubt about how to read this? Ka rata tra. Tha rata tra. Pa rata tra. With the superscript and with the prefix. Yes, Sonam Dugala.
Yes, this A category and A category one also both tra. Only this changes when suffix or superscript comes?
You mean this one, this category?
Yes.
We have two of them here.
Yes.
Right? So
Yes.
let me ask you. Di karire.
This pa. Right.
When there is a prefix or superscript, what does it sound?
Not changing pa.
Same rule here. Nothing special. Same rule.
So we pronounce this tra only.
That's it. Pa, rata, tra.
Tra. Okay.
Then when there is a prefix, sound doesn't change. When there is a superscript, sound doesn't change. Same rule. Okay? That's it. That's it. Very good. That's it. That's a little bit. I don't expect you to understand everything, but just showing you sound changes here. Any more question about sound changes?
I have a
Yes,
So
yes.
I have a question.
Yes, please.
Can you explain the difference between the suffix ta and sa, between that and the dempo? For example, pa dempo pe.
That's it. It's same. Chikpare. Pradang chikpare. Very good.
Same thing?
Yes,
okay.
Yes. Your question is pa dempo pe. Pa tha pe. Chikpare. Because the suffix tha makes a sound. Dengpo makes a sound. Chikpare. Pa dengpo pe. Pa tha pe. Like this. How goes na? Fail.
Okay, thank you.
So that's it. Okay? Take a look. Now we learned a question. Sa khatak ga ratak dra. Khao tha nga sa dang. Dradang. Khao cha kiku chi ka chik. Pa chik pa. Ra drengpo re tha re. Pa sa pe. Re pe. Dradang chikpa repe. That question. We learned it. How goes na? Hmm? Hmm? Dradang chikpa repe. Oh yeah. Ta inda. Mikila inda. Mikila di kharire.
Ka ratak dra.
Soft, soft.
Dra. Dra.
With the ha. Tra.
Dra. Dra.
Hmm?
Dra.
Di kharire.
Ta ka ratak dra.
Bolder now. Because of the
Dra.
previous. How goes
Dra.
That's it. Kha ratak tra. Thao kha ratak dra. Tra. Dra.
Dra.
Tra. Dra.
Dra.
Tra. Dra.
Dra.
How goes nga? Ni mikila. Di thang di. Dradang chikpa repe.
Di tang di dradang shik. Eh?
Dradang chikpa repe.
Dradang shik pare.
Chikpa mare.
Chikpa mare.
Chikpa mare. Rwa?
Yeah. I don't hear very much the difference between the two.
No problem. I will read them directly here. Ta, da, ta,
Okay.
da.
Ja, ja. So it's a bit longer. The second one is a bit longer.
Second one
Ja.
is more bass, bolder.
Bolder. Okay.
Ta, da, pa, ba, like this. Ta,
Okay.
da.
Okay.
Rwa?
Okay, I think I get it. Okay. So,
That's
Dradang shikpa mare.
Datang chikpa mare. There.
Tudice.
Tujiche. Maybe in the next video, maybe sound is better. Agosuna, you can check, forward it, and check it. Agosuna. Lasso, tujiche, mikila. Thank you. Olas. Ini ya fang lah inda, fang lah. Di try cheta. Ya.
Udah. Ratak Sa hatak bu ratak bu.
There is no naro there. How did it become bo? Yeah. Di karire.
Sa hatak, right?
Di karire.
Sa hatak. Sa hatak bu.
Ba. Sa patak ba. Ratak.
Latak bu.
Dra. Dra.
Latak dra.
Agos nga. Okay. That's it. Here. Pa ratak tra. Sa patak ba. Ratak dra. Like this.
So the first one is going to be pa ratak tra.
That's
the
it.
second one is going to be sa hatak bu ratak dra. Right?
That's it.
Thank you, teacher. Can see.
Ani fang la. Di thang di dradang chikpa repe.
Di thandi sikpa mare.
Dradang chikpa mare.
Mare.
Ruba? Dradang chikpa mare. That's it. Peo. Tujiche. Tujiche. Now we learn this. Hakosunga dadang chikpa repe. Answer will be dadang chikpa re or dadang chikpa mare. There is no in between. Here. Okay. Then we learned question di karere. If we remember. Then we add a word. Semchin di karere. Right? Semchen as an animal. Animal di karere or just di karere. We learned this. Instead of animal, we can also ask picture di par di karere. Okay. Then if there is a two kind, we say di tang di karere. We know this. Now we can also change the di to the. We already know the, opposite of di. The karere, the tang the karere, simchin the karere, par the karere. Oh, agosuna di pele la burba easy. Agosuna. We have here par as a picture, photo. Par di karere. Or di tang di karere. That's it. Then we learned for human we say kong sure. Right? Kong Michael Jackson Ray. Like Kong Sure. Kong Adam Ray. Like this. Agosunga. Okay? We learned this much question till now. Agosunga. Dadang chikpa repe. Di karere. Semchen di karere. Par di karere. Di tang di karere. Kong Sure. Also, we learned how to ask question. Mik lapna karere, if you remember. Very colloquial. What is meaning of mik? Mik lapna karere. Mar lapna karere. So lapna karere.
Chalak labna karere.
That's it. Very good. Chalak labna karere. Chocho labna karere. Achak labna karere. Ama labna karere. Ri labna karere. Ra labna karere. Like this. Paklep labna karere. Mokmok labna karere. Li labna karere. Lam labna karere.
Sorry. Labna, I don't understand this labna part.
So, meaning, it's like a call. What is called mik? What is meaning of mik? Just like that. Agosunga.
Toxicity.
Localization. If you break down, it's not gonna make sense. But here, I just localize. What is meaning of mik? What is called mik? Like this. Mik labna karire. If you don't know a word, let's say mar, then you can ask, mar labna karire. Then I will bring mar from my fridge and show you. Mar labna dire. Like this. If it's mik, very easy. I can point at it. Mik labna dire. Like this.
독지지.
하고서나 빼고.
그치.
그렇지?
독지.
Okay, very good. Then we know 콩 수레. We didn't say 콩 가레레. 수, who, 가레, what. 좋아. 하고서네 콩 수레. 좋아? Or if you don't know Donald Trump 수레. Like that. Then someone say Donald Trump president ray. Like that. 좋아? 하고서네 just like that. 콩 수레. Who is he? Donald Trump 수레. Who is Donald Trump? Like that. Okay. Hola, so. Pero. Now let's practice a little bit. 하고서나 2-minute practice in the. Yeah, Ruyunla. Di karere. We have.
check ray. The check ray.
Pero. Di karere.
The boo ray.
Bu mare. Di karere. No, read it one by
Don't remember.
No problem. Read it one by one when you don't remember. Sa
ba da ba up you boo.
That's it. Pu.
Boo ray.
Patakpa shapkyupu. That's it. 하고서나 디체레 디뿌레 디탕 디칙바레베.
Ditang di chikpamare.
That's it. 디탕 디칙바마레 빼고 도대체 빼고 숭숭. 되네 이용라인다. 이용라 디카레레.
Di nga re.
디카레레.
Di ko re.
디탕 디칙바레베.
Di thằng di shik pa ma re.
Or if I ask you, par di nga repe. Par di.
Pa di nga.
Par di nga repe.
Pa di nga ma re. Pa di nga re.
That's it. Par di nga mare. Par di nga re. That's how you answer. Pero sung sung tujiche. Teneya Pedrola inda. Pedrola mik labna karere.
Mik labna mare.
Mik labna karere. That's the question.
Mik labna, I don't understand.
What is meaning of mik? What is called mik? Mik labna karere.
Mik labna dire.
That's it. Point at it.
Dire.
That's it. Whenever you say di, you have to point at it. How goes on? You are saying this one.
Okay.
빼하고 양결인다. 소 labna karere. Pedro라인다. 소 labna karere.
So.
소 labna
No.
karere.
So labna dire.
That's it. So labna dire. That's it. Peo. Tujiche. Olas. Any. Yeah. Mariana la in the Mariana la.
Lasso.
Lasso. Kamachiku, 1 minute, please. Mariana la Kongsure.
Kong de la lamare.
Peo. Kong Pema Maripe.
Mare. Kong pema mare.
Peo. That's it. How goes one? Kongsure. Like this. If you want to say Tenzin Gyatso, that's his Tibetan name. How goes one? Tenzin Gyatso. That's it. Dalai Lama. Tenzin Gyatso. Anything. How goes one? Peo. Tujiche Mariana la.
Sorry, I have a question.
Yes,
when you say the answer so labna dire, okay?
Yes.
Can you also say so dire directly?
Oh yes. Why not?
Okay.
Yes. You can say this is so, or you can say this is called so. Anything.
Okay, thank you.
So that's it. If I didn't call your name, I'm very sorry. Now time has finished, but please practice. Thank you very much. Tashi Delek Boom Boom Shagalaka.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Boom boom.